guys, this is Jesse Hernandez. So ipapakita ko sa inyo yung simple build ko na Expander Cross 2023. Yan yung labas, malinis, one finger gap lowered. Fitment by AutoFit Works. So yan yung rolling niya. So okay naman, hindi siya matagtag since modified shocks. So comfy pa rin yung play. Full exhaust by Freemap by Fred Mabasa. So yan, naka air intake din tayo. Then may bike rack tayo sa likod by DR